Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maythe for those of you who are new here. And for today's video, I am back with another high-end luxury review. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Cartier Love Ring. I recently went to the Cartier boutique in Westfield, Topanga. I picked up a love ring. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. I thought the packaging was really cool, and if you are a first-time buyer, you maybe don't have an idea of everything that comes with it. So I did look up other YouTube reviews, but I really wanted to, of course, show you all of the detail. I think that that's really what I like to feature on my channel. If you guys are curious to see what is in here and what comes with it, then please keep watching. So right off the bat, as soon as you get to the boutique, someone will assist you. It won't come like this at first, so you will try on the ring, you'll try on whatever it is that you want to buy. After you've made your purchase, a salesperson will actually go take it to the back, get it all ready, make it all pretty, and here is the box. So the very first thing that I saw was just this really pretty detail on here. So it's not like just a regular, it has like texture, and I think you can see that pretty well. I don't know if this was just like she left it on there or if it was meant to be left on there, but that's pretty much how it came. As soon as you open the box, you have this here. So this opens right up, and that's just for like demonstration, presentation, because it will come like this. So as soon as you open it, you have this box, and I thought this feature was actually really neat. I don't really see this too often, and it was actually my first time seeing this specific box, which is pretty cool. Now, this is the little red box that we are all so obsessed with. The light is directly under that I have projected here, so I hope I do a pretty good job at showing you the detail on the box. So this on here, it's not like embroidered, it's just printed on there, but it's so beautiful. Yeah. And then it does have this little button here. So as soon as you press the button, it opens right up, and here we have the lovely Cartier Love Ring. I'm trying to do my best with my lighting that I have. I do apologize. I hope it's not too bad. But here is the ring. The packaging is absolutely stunning. I think that when you're buying this expensive jewelry, you're also buying like the packaging essentially, right? Because it probably isn't cheap to make this. It's just so beautiful. It has like a really nice velvet feel to it. And there's like this little hook on here where you take the ring off this way. And here you have a beautiful Cartier love ring. I don't know if you could see the detail in here. I am a size 55 for my middle ring. So you have this number here, and I'll show you what the numbers mean later. But this is the ring. I'm so happy with it. I actually got it to wear on my middle finger. I'm so happy with it. This is my first gold one, but now you can either store this away. I will definitely not be throwing this one away. I think it's a way too special, and whenever I do decide to take off my ring, where am I going to put it? They do also give you one of these. I got super excited when I got this. I didn't know what to expect or what was going to be inside, but it was really heavy. And as soon as I got to the car, I opened it, and it's actually a ring cleaner. So again, it's the same packaging style. So it looks like it's a care box, jewelry, and watches. So if you buy any jewelry or any like watches from Cartier, they will give you this cute little kit. So you have this cleaning thing here. It is made with 100% natural ingredients. It's made in France. And it has a little spray Also have a little towelette with the little Cartier logo here. It also comes with a little brush, and the bristles are super soft. I assume that you would just take it, spray it, clean it, because it does have like the little logo here. I'm sure that this is probably just to get any dirt out if you have any, depending on how long you've been wearing it. You can also take your ring or your jewelry pieces to Cartier and they will clean them for you. However, it's not recommended that you clean them often, only because every time that they do professionally clean them, you are stripping away like a layer of the gold. So it's not really recommended, but you do also have that option. You'll also get this cute little bifold. It comes in the same packaging, and in here you'll have a business card, an authentication card from Cartier, and you will also have your receipt. I'll show you the authentication card. It comes in this really pretty envelope. Again, same packaging. I love that. And here is the certificate. This is just showing that you have an authentic Cartier like piece. Now this number that you see in here is actually the number that's in the ring that I showed you earlier. So I thought this was really neat. I love the way that they package it. I think the marketing in me is literally obsessed with the fact that everything is just so uniformed. It might be the Capricorn in me as well. I'm honestly so happy and I'm so blessed to be able to have a piece like this to my collection. I don't think I'll ever take it off, if I'm being honest. This is the end of the video here. I want to say thank you so much to anybody who has subscribed recently or anybody who has watched any of my videos recently. I am overall so happy with my purchase, and I would definitely buy more Cartier jewelry if I could afford it. It's definitely, they're timeless pieces and they're really nice to have in your collection, but they are just a tad expensive. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.